Brown Mokgotsi has made explosive claims at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry in Pretoria. He testified that he's been operating as an agent for South Africa's crime intelligence since 1991, gathering information using active informants. Mokgotsi reported to his handlers, but he didn't disclose specific names. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, some of the shocking allegations he made is that he claimed that KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and AmaZulu King uMisuzulu kaZwelithini were recruited by the CIA, citing their links to American institutions as evidence. Brown Mokgotsi also said that he was tasked by senior crime intelligence officials to get close to Vusumuzi Cat Matlala, who was allegedly involved in criminal activities. Mokgotsi also claimed that he met CIA agents in Kenya and knew people running CIA operations in Southern Africa. Brown Mokgotsi also alleged that he has evidence that Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo and General Mkhwanazi were planning to remove Lieutenant General Khan, and that he leaked recordings to the media, resulting in Mkhwanazi acquitting Khan. Now, some of his statements raised several eyebrows as they were contradicting previous witnesses' statements, especially when it comes to Minister Senzo Mchunu's relationship. Now, Brown Mokgotsi claimed he's just a comrade of Mchunu, contradicting Mchunu's initial denial of knowing Mr. Brown Mokgotsi. Mchunu later admitted to knowing Mokgotsi, describing him as just a comrade of ANC activities. Now, also, Brown Mokgotsi allegedly played a role in convincing Mchunu to disband the task team, contradicting what Mchunu claimed he made the decision independently. Brown Mokgotsi also alleged that the KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and AmaZulu King Misuzulu Zwelithini were recruited by the CIA, which Mkhwanazi has denied. And also, Mokgotsi denied receiving money from Vusumuzi Cat Matlala, but Matlala's phone records suggest otherwise. Mokgotsi also allegedly shared sensitive police information with Vusumuzi Cat Matlala. Now, Brown Mokgotsi also claimed that Vusumuzi Cat Matlala gave money to the former police minister Bheki Cele and the National Police Commissioner General Fanny Masimu